Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn step by step on how we can watch Netflix using a VPN. So without any further delay, let's get started with today's video. To watch Netflix using a VPN, it's as simple as how you use Netflix or VPN for any of the other apps. Now, first you need to make sure that you have got a good VPN subscription. Now, because sometimes the free versions does not work properly, but if you have VPNs like Surfshark VPN, NordVPN, ExpressVPN, Tomato VPN, Turbo VPN, these VPNs are the one usually at the top of their game. So if you want to get that subscription, that's fine. In my case, I have got this particular VPN app called VPNify, and of course this video is not sponsored by any of the VPN applications as mentioned. Then you can simply select a server that you want to connect to, then just tap on the connect button, and once you've done that, now you can open the Netflix application and automatically log in. Then your service should be changed. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.